Hello and welcome to Emerson Exchange Studios. I'm Eric Pogi Sumangel, and joining me in studio is Cal Zayer, Director of Long-Term Service Agreements for Final Control Lifecycle Services at Emerson. Welcome, Cal.
Thank you.
Today we're talking about how long-term service agreements can help improve reliability, increase availability, and reduce maintenance costs. Now, Cal, I understand that long-term service agreements aren't a new concept in the industry, so what's Emerson doing differently?
Well, we know our customers are under increasing pressure to improve plant uptime and asset reliability, while at the same time optimizing their maintenance practices and reducing total cost of ownership. Now, with the shrinking expertise and resources, this becomes a daunting challenge for our customers. And for Emerson, long-term service agreements are a strategic partnership. It's a vehicle to deliver on operational certainty and enable top quartile performance. Our long-term service agreement structure, which we call the Sure Service model, consists of four distinctive and progressive tiers that provide the customer with flexibility to choose the tier that's most appropriate for their current or desired maintenance strategy.
It sounds like customers have a range of options they can tailor to their maintenance needs. Can you explain more about what's offered in each of the tiered packages?
Sure. Well, the Sure Service model, as I mentioned, consists of four package tiers, each with defined deliverables and performance outcomes. The first tier provides core support. This includes basic product supports for on-demand maintenance. The second tier moves us up to preventive maintenance. This is anything that is time-based, scheduled maintenance and inspection that aims to help customers minimize failures and improve safety. Now, for those customers who are willing to take advantage of some of the technologies that we have, the third tier is all about predictive maintenance, which is empowered by the Valve Connected Services and really aims to help customers improve uptime and maximize their return on investment. And finally, the final tier is managed services. This is where Emerson assumes responsibility of the lifecycle services for the plant Valve assets.
So that last tier you mentioned was managed services. Why would a customer want Emerson to assume all responsibility for their lifecycle service needs?
Well, Emerson invests to ensure that we have the right technology, tools, and expertise to partner with customers and manage the lifecycle services of their Valve assets. From embedding resources into the customer site and managing their inventory to handling the day-to-day planning and sourcing of the valves and parts, Emerson is well positioned to become the maintenance arm of our customers, effectively freeing up their resources to focus on other aspects of their challenging operation. This is what the main valve partner for lifecycle services is all about.
Excellent. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us today. Be sure to learn more at emerson.com.